Mom, when I grow up, I'll build a real rocket.
Then promise me one thing. Take me with you.
Want to create an animated film like this, but worry about the subscription plan? Then this video is for you. In this video, I will share the step-by-step method on how you can create an animated video like this without spending a single penny, 100% free. So, let's dive in. To create a film or video, we need a story or script first. Suppose you have one, then great. However, you can write one with ChatGPT like me. Okay, our script is ready. Now, before moving forward to the video generation, we need detailed prompts, character design for consistency, and a video or motion prompt. Don't worry, I am going to share the step-by-step method with you. So, don't miss any part of the video. To write all the prompts and scenes, I will use Google AI Studio. It's free for everyone. Once you are inside Google AI Studio, select the Gemini 3 model from here. Now, come to the system instruction prompt from the option here. Here, we have to enter the training data so that the Gemini model can actually understand what we want. Don't worry, you don't have to write anything. I already prepared the full system instruction for you. Just copy the prompt and paste it into the Google AI Studio prompt box. Once the system instruction prompt is ready, save it and come to the text box. Type, "I want to make a film with this script," and then enter the full script. I will just copy and paste the script and then hit the send button. Now, the Gemini model will analyze the system instruction and then start the process of workflow. First of all, it will break the script into scenes. Here, you can notice that Gemini creates a total of 40 shots for our video. It creates a detailed description for every shot. Now, review all the shots, and if you think anything is wrong, you can ask Gemini to solve it. If the shot breakdown is fine, enter confirm in the text box and then hit the send button. Now, it will detect all the key elements like characters, location, and props, and then create a detailed description for every key element. We will use them later. This is perfect. I will enter confirm and hit the send button. Now, the Gemini model starts creating the storyboard. And here it is. Our storyboard is ready. You can see the scene-by-scene description is ready. Every shot has the shot number, scene element, story beat, cinematography, and audio. The descriptions are really very detailed. However, if you think there is an issue, you can fix it. I will enter confirm and move ahead to write the prompt. Now Gemini will create a detailed image generation prompt for every key element. As the Gemini model has the context, it will create a very detailed prompt for 3D animated images of every key element. I will create prompts for every scene. So, I will just enter confirm and hit the send button. And here it is. All the prompts are ready. Every shot now has the image generation and video generation prompts. Okay, all of our prompts are ready. Now we have to create the key element images. I will use Google Flow to create the images. It's free to use. After coming to Google Flow, create a new project. Once the project is created, come to the prompt box. First, select the image generation mode. After that, select the aspect ratio and number of images you want to generate. And in the end, select the image model you want to use. Once all the settings are ready, go back to Google AI Studio, copy the first key element prompt, and paste the prompt here in this box. Now, hit the send button. The Nano Banana 2 model will generate the image. And here it is. The image is ready, and you can see the result. This is a perfect 3D animated character sheet. I love this. Now copy the second key element prompt and paste it in the prompt box and generate the image. And the image is ready. Now in the same method, create all other images. Okay, all the key element images are ready. Now, it's time to generate the scene image. So, I will go back to Google AI Studio, copy shot 1 keyframe prompt, paste the prompt in the prompt box. Now, here we have to add the reference image. Just add the reference from here or type @ and then select the image. Now, hit the generate button. And here it is, the image is ready. Now, create the second image. Follow the same process. Copy and paste the shot to prompt, tag the related key elements, and then hit the generate button. Now, in the same method, create all other images. To create the video, we have to create all 40 video clips. However, for tutorial purposes, I will create the first 15 shots. Okay, All the images are ready. Now, it's time to turn them into video clips. To create the video, I will use the Qwen Video Generator. It's free to use. Once you are on the Qwen's homepage, select the Video Generator option from here. Okay, this is the Qwen AI Video Generator. First, I will upload the first scene image. So, I will click on the plus icon and select Attach Image, and then upload the Shot 1 image. Once the image is uploaded, go back to Google AI Studio. Copy the first shot video prompt and then paste it here. Now, simply hit the send button. And our video is generating, and here it is, the video is ready. In our very first scene, we don't have so much. It's just an establishing shot. Okay, let's create the second shot. The process is the same. Upload the shot 2 image. After that, copy and paste the shot 2 video prompt and hit the send button. And here it is, the video is ready. This is amazing. Now in the same method, create all other scenes. Once all the scenes are ready, download them to your device, and then assemble them with a video editor and create a video like this.
Mom, when I grow up, I'll build a real rocket.
Then promise me one thing. Take me with you.
Mom, do you ever get tired?
Sometimes.
Then I'll work hard too.
So now you can create an animated film like this without spending a single penny. If you want to create your own, don't forget to try this method. If this was helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.